How to factorize 5 into x to the power 4 minus 125 into x. So now let's start. Our given expression is 5 into x to the power 4 minus 125x. So first I will take x common from both the term here. So first term will be here 5 into x cube and the second term is 125. So after that we apply here the a cube minus b cube algebraic identity, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In our given expression you see that here x cube we can write x to the power whole cube, but 5 into x cube we cannot write 5 into x to the power whole cube. Why we cannot write this? Because 5 is simply multiplied with the x cube term, but 5 itself not the 5 cube. So we know that 5 to the power cube the value is 125. That's clear. So now we construct the a cube term. How we construct this a cube term? So we apply the simple tricks here. So the tricks is now 5, this 5 we can write 5 to the power 1/3 to the power whole cube. So these three and these three cancel, is 5, also 5. So simply we change this 5. Now after that we construct the a cube term here. Now we can write 5 to the power 1/3 to the power whole cube into x cube. So we can write 5 to the power 1/3 into x to the power whole cube. So that's clear. So this is our a cube term construct complete. We know that the b cube term. So now we go to our given expression here. So x into, so we can write 5 to the power 1/3 into to the power whole cube into x cube minus 125 is the 5 cube. So after that now x into 5 to the power 1/3 into x to the power whole cube minus 5 to the power whole cube. So after that we apply the a cube minus b cube algebraic identity, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here we apply in our given expression. So a minus b, which is a is 5 to the power 1/3 into x minus b, which is 5, a minus b into a square, which is 5 to the power 1/3 into x whole square plus ab, which is 5 to the power 1/3 into x, and b is 5 plus b square, which is 5 square. So after that we simplify this expression here. X into 5 to the power 1/3 into x minus 5. Now here 5 to the power 1/3 square we can write 5 to the power 2/3 into x square plus, here we apply the rule of indices. Here 5 to the power 1/3 and here 5 to the power 1. So this is 5 is the base and their power simply we add here. So we can write 5 to the power 1/3 plus 1. This 5 power is 1. So 1/3 plus 1 we can write 4/3 into x plus 5 square we can write 25. So this is our final answer. So what is the rule of indices? So I explain here. Indices rule. So if you see that a to the power n, so here a is base and n is equal to power. So this is the base, this is the power. Now another term is a to the power b. Similarly a equal to base and b is the power. So in the rule of indices, if both the base is same and multiplied with each other, this term look like here a to the power n into a to the power n into a to the power b, look like this. So we can write simply here both the base is same, so we can write base a and then their power is add n plus b. So this is the rule of indices we apply here. That's clear. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.